Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with another tutorial. Today I want to share a little component that can be done for your long necklaces as a link, or you can finish your necklaces with that at the end. This is another variety. It's the same frame, except I put some gemstones inside. So if you're interested and would love to learn how to make that, stay with me, pick up some wire, and let's wire wrap. So pick up the wire that you're comfortable to work with. It can be it can be 18, 19 for this kind of work. And we don't need a very long piece. I will measure, it's about 6 inches tail that I want to use. And I will mark it here and just put them folded. That's the tail that will go, that will create this. Oh, that's actually from this side. We'll create this double. If you want to make them exactly same, use your, I will use the smaller one, bail maker plier, and just make the first loop. Now I will put the pliers where they meet, just a little bit lower, and spread these two wires like that. So we have two hands going opposite direction. And I like to use something to measure. So these will be for me. This is from Home Depot. It's not for the wire wrapping, but I like to measure them because that will be consistent length. If you have at home different tools, you can use different tools. Something that can be helpful with the length, and that's how I will make them. So these a little like it will create petals, and I use my other plier for measuring length between them. That way I know they will be exactly same, almost same. And this is my second leaf. Measure again with these pliers. So it's number 3. I like 4. So there is a 3. One more. See, sometimes could be like looking like this. You can also go back if you wanted to and make it longer. One more. So we have 4 on one side, and we can create exactly same on the other side. Let me quickly finish and come back. I'm done with the other side. If you're making earrings, I would do exactly same length on both, and then hammer them and stuff. But so I'm making this one. We have 4. We just join them together with a shorter tail if you wanted to just go around. And I will cut excess. your loop for and that's you can use jump rings then to attach to your chains or your necklace. And that is done here. Now we have to open each petal like this. You just play with that, hold. You can always reshape it. Make those little leaves. You can make them different shape a little bit more organic. And so we have frame like this. If you would like to put some beads inside, like I did on this piece, I add a wire inside and then add gemstones. So I will just like spread like this, so you can put it inside other oval wire and add your gems. For the necklace that I did for links for the long piece, like a long for the long necklace links, I leave them like that and just added 24 gauge wire. Let me just pick up a little bit of the wire so we can just add it. Stay with me. I know, just sometimes don't have everything right away. So yeah, so just I will just attach in one corner, and then randomly, like I will calculate like 2 leaves maybe and attach there, then attach to the end, and here, then you go back to the top and you can just attach here. It can be randomly, it's a fun part. You can just add it wherever you feel. You can go to all the way here. The important thing is, after you're done with this leaf, you have to hammer it. So let me just attach. I like to attach in a regular, like in all the angles. So just go back and forth. Like this. Here, top. Remember to remove excess wire from here where we started. A little piece need to be cut. And after you're done completely attaching all of them, you can just take your hammer and hammer your leaves. Looks beautiful. So I want to show you the necklace that somebody emailed me about. So that was this one. It's the same concept, same frame, except I made one more leaf here instead of finishing. So it's a continue one piece with this leaf and go up. And then just use, I used 26 gauge wire and start wire wrapping, attaching the frame together, and add a little beads. And then the excess, when I create this loop, I just add this same wire, I put it on top, sort of like a free form, and end it right here. This one is one, ended here, and the other is ended there. Earrings. That's the beginning of the work, where 2 wires go up. Then we made this loop that we did here. And then the excess wire that I have, I just create a little swirl. I think this could be a beautiful idea for a lot of jewelry we do. I hope you guys like it. Leave the comments below. Let me know what you think. And I will slowly answer all the requests. That was one about this Rowan necklace, so I filmed it today. And next week I will think maybe a chain, something else. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next Tuesday. Have a good one. Bye bye.